How do I download and install non-LG Content Store apps on my LG Smart TV?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be going over the process of downloading and installing non-LG Content Store apps on your LG Smart TV. Though LG's native Content Store hosts a variety of apps, there may be some apps that you need which aren't available on it. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why can I find certain apps in the LG Content Store?
Not all applications are available in the LG Content Store. This is because app developers need to develop a specific version of their apps for different smart TV platforms. If the developer has not created a version compatible with the LG's operating system, WebOS, the app won't be present in the LG Content Store.
Can I install apps from outside the LG Content Store?
Technically, LG doesn't support the direct installation of apps from unknown sources like you can on an Android TV or device. However, there's a workaround. You can use a feature called screen mirroring or casting, allowing you to run the desired app on your smartphone or PC and mirror the screen to your LG Smart TV.
How can I screen mirror or cast an app to my LG Smart TV?
First, ensure that your smart TV and your device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. For Android devices, you can use the built-in Miracast function. Open the app you wish to cast on your smartphone, then swipe down from the top of the screen and select Screencast or Smart View. Select your LG TV from the list of devices. For iOS devices, you can use a similar feature called AirPlay. Open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring. Select your LG TV from the list. For PCs, if you're using Windows 10, open the Action Center by clicking on the message icon in the lower right corner of the screen, then select Connect. Your PC will search for and display a list of devices. Select your LG TV from this list. We hope this video has been helpful in teaching you how to use screen mirroring or casting to enjoy apps on your LG Smart TV that are not available in the LG Content Store. Always remember, you have options beyond the official App Store. Enjoy exploring more content on your LG Smart TV.